Is your 2011-2015 Lincoln MKX key fob acting up? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is quick, easy, and saves money compared to dealership costs. This video shows you how. Don't get stranded. Keep your key fob working. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the key fob safely. You'll also need a new CR2032 battery, widely available at auto parts stores or online for $2 to $5. Avoid cheap, generic batteries to prevent potential leakage. Electrical tape is optional for securing the fob after reassembly. Locate the small seam along the edge of your MKX key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the notch and carefully pry the two halves apart. Be gentle, it's a snap-fit design. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic housing. With the key fob now open, you'll see the CR2032 lithium battery positioned inside the housing. Take note of which side is facing up. This is the positive side marked with a plus sign. To remove the old battery, use the flat end of your pry tool or your fingernail. Gently pry or lift the battery straight out from its holder. Be careful not to damage the battery contacts or the fob's internal components. Once removed, dispose of the old CR2032 battery responsibly. These batteries contain lithium and should be taken to an e-waste recycling center rather than thrown in the regular trash. Check your local recycling options or automotive parts stores that often have battery recycling bins. Now that the old battery is removed, place the new CR2032 battery into the fob, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old battery. Make sure the battery is securely seated in its place. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Ensure they are tightly sealed. If the housing is loose, use a small amount of electrical tape to secure it. Test the buttons to ensure they are working. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, reprogramming may be needed. This happens because the battery replacement can sometimes reset the fob's pairing with your MKX. To reprogram the fob, position yourself close to your MKX. Then, hold down both the lock and unlock buttons at the same time for 5 to 10 seconds. This should reestablish the connection. If the fob still doesn't respond after trying reprogramming, check your owner's manual for detailed, model-specific reprogramming instructions. Experts recommend DIY for this simple task, saving you money. Statistics show high success rates, especially with branded batteries. Automotive experts like AAA and Edmunds recommend DIY, with an 85% success rate in similar models. While future key fobs might integrate with smartphones, the current method remains reliable. Consider augmented reality repair apps for real-time guidance.